here's the latest pickup to come in at Unique Specialty Classics. Check it out. This particular one's a 4x4. We see a lot more two-wheel drives than we do the 4x4s. So we got a 1963 Chevrolet K10. This truck has been lifted, as you can tell. Nice looking truck. Powered by a 454 underneath the hood. That is paired with a turbo 400 automatic transmission. A lot of nice other components underneath the hood on this. Serpentine belt system for one. Also has power steering, power brakes, and AC. So nice equipment on this truck. As you can see, it's got the taller cowl induction hood. That is functional. Paint on this truck, I would say, is a nice driver quality paint. Wouldn't have to be afraid to take this one to any of your local shows, cruise-ins. Nice driver. If you want to check out the still pictures, I got to apologize. I can only get so far away from it, and this is a pretty big truck to get in the full screen here. So check out the still pictures. You can see those at uniqueclassiccars.com or down below in the description of this video. You can click on the link. That'll take you to the still pictures. Feel free to call us too, 507-386-1726. This truck has been in our area, and we've had it out and driven it and checked it out quite a bit, so feel free to call. Now, we do consider trades. Financing is available. So it's got the Nerf bar on it. Nerf bars, I should say, on it. Nice polished aluminum wheels. Rubber's good on this truck. The one thing back here I want to show you, nice tonneau cover, and this particular one will slide up and rolls up into the front, so you don't have to take it off, and works out very, very slick. You can roll it up a quarter way, halfway, 3/4 of the way, or all the way, and it has catches along the way that you can stop it. So if you don't want it all the way, just want to slip something in back there, you can do that on this one. Dual exhaust coming out the rear, chrome, bright work, nice on this truck. There's a few little blemishes. I want to show one. Got it right here above in the wheel well. I don't know if you can pick that up. Little blemish there. You noticed one in the tailgate. But overall, not a bad truck at all. Check out the underside pictures. Again, all the still pictures, the interior, the bed, the engine bay. And those still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Like I said, down below the link of this video. In the description area, there is a link. Take you right to the pictures. Or 507-386-1726 is the number you can call. We'll go ahead and fire this up too so you can hear it run. Pop that hood open so you can check out the serpentine belt system and what it looks like underneath there. Very nice interior in this one too. Let me show you some of the things here. So you got power windows on the interior. Door panels, door cards, carbon. I should say fiberglass. Plastic fiberglass. Now the interior, as you can see, you have leather seats here, and the setup is bucket right here. Now the center console does have a couple cup holders and a storage area, and then it also flips up. So you have a jump seat here. So if you wanted to ride 3 up here, you could. You got the center jump seat, and then there's also a storage area underneath here. Tilt steering column, as you can see, little aftermarket dash work done there. Aftermarket stereo system, vents for AC, heat. A nice looking interior. Same thing with the headliner because it has that matching formed plastic similar to the door panels. Let's go ahead and start this up. I'm just going to reach in and do it easier than climbing up in for me. See how easily it starts. Oil pressure gauge works. RPM tachometer works there. Looks like bulk and fuel both. I have had the stereo working in here also. So it appears everything works as far as all the gauges. Nice sounding truck. Slip around to the back, you hear that rumble. Go ahead and go up to the front. I'll pause this video and we'll open the hood check out what it looks like underneath there. And again, I apologize, I only can get so far away from this truck to get into the screen where we're at here. Nice thing about that fiberglass hood is light to open for the size of it. Alright, here you can see the 454 underneath the hood. Again, that's paired with the turbo 400 automatic transmission. Has the serpentine system there. A lot of polished aluminum, nice looking engine bay. Nice setup underneath there. So there you go, 1963 Chevrolet K10. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. Like I said, check out the still pictures. Click on the link down below in the description of this video. Take you right there to uniqueclassiccars.com. We do consider trades. Financing is available, and we'll be happy to assist you with transporting this truck to where you're located. Give us a call.